We won't allow you to swindle us. Pay us our part of the transfer fee or give us a full disclosure. It is 400,000 euro now. Time I'm okay. Euro. If you don't pay us, we will not accept, and we will go to FIFA or GFA. Tama. Efija Liberty team. They say from Efija Liberty. And on the Bernard Somuah, Emma Kotoko. Now no omote say Kotoko aton. Player no find no full transfer is the omaton. And on ba say ni omusuka kra wu mu no. Onward Kotoko mfama wo mo. Ena omo say Kotoko pay 50,000 Ghana cedis. E de ma omo so omo nje. No msi there bi.
Na scanning
Omo ankasa de Kotoko and disclose amount na omo bo by yen hwehwemu. Yen hwehwemu kire say scanning here 400,000 euro.
I want him to euro me this moment.
And 400,000 euro no time.
No, it's not done.
400,000 euro no. Agent no.
400,000 euro.
500.
500.
500.
Oh, okay.
Just a man
Almost 500,000
situation of this.
500,000 euros.
I'm say agent no give 15%. And team no so agreement was 25%. Na de beko GF ho so na de akọ. Na honom na asem ne wo no. Kotoko pese om tete de akokọ ba bia ni wie. Ansa na om de om de na mom. And om de 50,000 sha om say kom de kom nye. Ana agent ni om ni team ni si de abi. 50,000 de om nye. Ehon na na ka kire om say wo panyini o hene disca ma wo reject say wo nye ne sa. Trantima mu yenye ne sa. Wo de disca no. Wo wia na say wo reservation zi a na wa ba beka. Eno na abrantensi there bi onye ti no enkomra no on anyi ska no mo puska no e de ma Kotoko mpanimfo a omugya hokọ ya se de omo mpanimfo la from some next meeting omo se omo do musika no muhia nya sa de ane omo be ko FIFA enti tama ama aye de ntwantwu kese
bomb to boy the 50,000.
Hey,
it was not easy. 50,000. Wow. Kotoko 50,000 for
Somuah. Yes,
they are paying money.
Yes.
Or a coach player then.
It's
wow. Okay.
Oh, that you know, boy no cry boy be out what it no. I will ko put a book on ditch or by had move. Say boy ni papa ni nebusa for nyina na ma say on cry the one person better say when who to one am bia no be issue.
Say papa na ma me so mum.
Say aspect no ho no mo. By no fa Kotoko for.
Okay.
No dey.
Babo ye na ase na ye nko asem no na.
Asem ni
captain metan say na ye nya wo opo besna.
Say o say Zakito wo enchire mu ka.
Ah Zak. Dey na unim fa asem yi hu.
So the first thing that I know is one football mramono. Yen top amateur player. Person who trust our point to of us. Say in football we don't sell amateur player. Do some kind say there is some mistakes that happen along the line because offer Katana the fact that Kotoko agreed to pay 50,000 say or more turn around a red flag because we don't buy amateur player in football all over the world. It is not acceptable by FIFA. A big like red flag. If you buy amateur player, that is the first thing that person will note down.
Was he amateur player?
Yeah, he came as amateur player. Since I know a coach boy. He's an amateur.
This agreement is made by between Kotoko and then Efija Babies. It's agreed that he will transfer the reserve the professional football player Bernard Sapon Somuah, born 13 February 2006. Yeah, Ben Oba Kotoko.
It came in
2023. So he was
16 or 15.
It was 17 years.
No.
No, 16 or 15.
Oh,
15 or
so
16.
2026 near war no.
2006.
No,
2006.
2006. No back Kotoko 2023. That was 3 years ago. And he's more than 20 now. You know, only 15. 17.
Still, I know he was an amateur
Amateur.
player. That was what I'm saying. Oh yeah, establishing first amateur player. Now, when you say this is what happened, Albano, the agents and the club approached Kotoko say, "Omoya DBA man, Zelina FC, Slovakia, and they wanted to use the Kotoko platform. Okay, I say Bakubisi and say yeah.
Now, do you even know they call Zelina if he was an amateur player?
No, say no.
No, or
So I must say like that is what it says. Zelina for no are invited no. Like say on person omuye into no. On person ka or pass it through the Kotoko system no. Send the ya omitimi amanako Zelina no. Ana omuye say sadia. Say okwa Zelina dia oma
But let's establish the deal. The contract states that Somuah was a professional football player.
Okay, I want say
Nti yenhwe niye.
no.
But I say there's a deliberate use of the word professional.
Yeah, and I say I'm starting and I'm say along the way there's a lot of mistakes that happen along the way.
So in our discussion now, the element of amateur shouldn't come here at all.
No,
In our discussion now.
no.
This is Kabana,
Let's do this education.
Amateur in the age in a children.
Amateur.
Age in a children.
But I'm saying that
when it
and
goes-
the contract then omude eba ye ka ho asemi Kotoko State say they were buying a professional player.
It doesn't matter if he falls within the amateur.
Amateur.
I think so. I do back when you say amateur player. No, Uber to me a faba amateur on sign a professional contract. Or I say so under tone. Utibito, bounty man sign professional contract.
Okay.
FIFA any that to. So player neighbor no. Kotoko made the mistake that time no. I want something.
Say mistake.
Well,
Was
no,
Kotoko.
it wasn't a mistake. What they did was that Mr. Tom, deliberate.
This thing
It wasn't
was-
deliberate. What they did was that because of the Zelina deal. Omode bre omunti no. So, if they say they accepted say Sadia, so was in a deal there. Then let's go. Sao you know mokoye no.
But so 17 Zelina club because I'm mature.
Say make sense no. Like at that time no menim who sat on that to do this contract. So because omuji to me say so of course the leader there. And to sham so if you read the contract.
So this contract was done by Emmanuel Newton that should be he signed the contract.
It is the 25% na air no was specifically on Zelina. Oh the what kind you
Yeah.
because it was a deliberate idea no matter to me say boy no I'm not say oh like he's going. So I want you to pass through your system and go. They agreed and accepted say Sadia you have about 25% when he travels to Zelina. Now you have the account. I don't want you to send no. By doing so, no, we are giving you 50,000 Ghana cedi because we are going to collect some big money. I don't want you to know 50,000 in the mark. If anything.
Before you continue, I'm getting was a any age in an amateur player or professional. It's not the age.
It's the contract.
It's not the age. And it's that because what I said the fact say only 18 years no. And just say he's an amateur
No,
player.
so why I insist on amateur and say me I know I have the records on how Kotoko is the board. In the system, if you go in the system, he's in the system as an amateur player.
Was one is below 18.
In the system, he's in the system as an amateur player. I was saying that means on amateur no, because Kotoko registered Somuah as an amateur player.
But the General Secretary Ghana Football Association Accra no BSA release of player. The manual of Afija Kwabre Liberty has released Bernard Somuah to Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. We wish him the best of luck. Okay, so do amateur players go through all this?
Why when you simple sir? Because of they couldn't have input details in it because you don't know. Mr. So, I am against a lot of things that is happening because I say one, if it's for now entitled to, who call for more, they are entitled to training compensation, which I'm sure about now. If it's kind of
we released that or say Kotoko was because he was a amateur player. Kotoko couldn't use the transfer agreement to register him, but the release. So okay, so yeah, let's go.
It's they are entitled to training compensation.
You can agree a transfer fee on an amateur player from the player's 16th year and pay on the player's 18th year. A player can also be a professional player on his 16th birthday if the player signs a professional contract up to 3 years with parental consent. So you can agree a transfer fee on an amateur player from the player's 16th year and pay on the player's 18th year. A player can also be a professional player on his 16th birthday if the player signs a professional contract up to 3 years with parental consent.
Let's establish one fact. Say, young amateur player, you can only buy him by agreeing say or do 18 amateur.
That's all your player.
But say the argument by the time only 18 day. FIFA see young amateur player. That one I still stand by it.
But you agree with them, say.
It's no player. It's the other one now or the man say the amount to me say ebia or do 18 metria set amount the amount and the but someone yes agreement in the other moment whatever happened between you and them be an obia open or but
so the question I'm asking is how does it come in this whole
in this
conundrum?
I think to me Kotoko should just sit with the FIJA for no and find a way to maybe reward them like.
So I'm told you can even register a player as an amateur, even he could be 20 or 21.
Yes, you can do it.
Okay, an example is Agbesi. You don't make such a mistake and claim he's amateur now. Okay, I know you're obvious. So
no, but let's establish the fact that he was registered in the system as an amateur player. In the system,
Bambuza said, how does it come in? What argument here?
No, it come in. It come in. Kotoko's based on my understanding is when the amateur comes in, it just say at that moment there's no the 25 because you can't do agreement on a player transfer onward when he's an amateur. He's only the team is only entitled to training compensation. That if Omocho Kotoko for there, it's almost a job that among because on the FIFA 10 from source. So if you check Kotoko scan among there, it's just if you have also your training compensation that other. Which in the end who amount to be
so that's a good one. You can register him as an amateur player and give him a professional contract. Is that also allowed?
No,
is that Besidian?
But not and only behind Aboshidian for example. And yeah, coach system no.
There is registered there on the system as amateur, but you have a professional contract.
And
has no money.
And only illegal. And told be we are. Untim from system. Asem mountain from ko.
Say nkoma edi the system.
Amateur na say Mr. To like wafa player also register na amateur. Say player no ntua na kabo sumi.
Yes.
So what them ntua na kabo sumi. It's the emphasis Agbesi di amode example. Say am person has for register as amateur player. He's not paid. I know they has but
a professional contract when a player signs a contract and earns at least a minimum wage approved by the government or FA.
Yeah.
So I think professionalism same in remuneration.
Remuneration they were professional you pay. Professional there's remuneration, amateur there's no remuneration. So what they mention
so what there can say me. And yes, I man Kotoko was Kotoko after a G player no etu at that 50,000.
So amateur the best team as a player without a contract.
Yes.
Any amateur.
Yes. Okay. In 2 installments, 30,000 first and 20,000 afterward no. At the man, the player jumped into Kotoko straight out. Right, even though the initial contract was that they are sending him to Zelina.
I'm going for free Brazil near the Babebo Europe near them. what contracts do most of them? They say Estabao ne zankon. William
professional contract.
Professional contract.
Obetia ko Brazil ko catch any player so be na ko be siwa so. So omo pesca no he. Asunya.
So man, I think Estabao there what happened was
so be siwa so.
Yeah, Estabao there. Honestly, no, sir. To say be a Somuah there na ye can. But what happened? They said was a Chelsea signing, no, but he played for the parent club, no, for one more season until he turned Anzano. But because he was traveling from one league to another, but when he was in Brazil, he was playing for his team professionally. So in terms, sometimes there are some technical clauses because once Estabao no ball in the same league in Brazil, so he was okay. But traveling from Brazil to England, Namrana Sisa, so he has to turn 18. That's why Chelsea had to sign him, but wait for one more year before he joined the club.
I'm guessing
sometimes when you are even in the same league, the rules change.
But sign him as an amateur, but they decided to change the status. Is that allowed? That's what
contract never hano and they fanya ejuma.
Okay. And I make it
just like they one and one but just I'm more fan to screen so. But me can some kakre that you
contract for public way.
Oh,
for now.
Already say.
Oh, all right.
Me have spoken to Afida
I dey be chire match na omo ye expecting player transfer na contract signing is anyoma no. So BT obetin abo me kaka. E ba cho we are the contract between the two clubs. We are the contract. There's no other club. No other contract. Number 2. Check contract no number 2 or say if Asante Kotoko Sporting Club AKXC short transfer the player save Zelina FC Slovakia
for a fee.
But one year is our contract we
Kotoko na ye Kotoko
na about
Kotoko ni team.
Then there should be another contract apart from this one.
And now because you
so tell me just say there should be
after this Kotoko register
because what I know they say
sign the contract.
What I know they say is to whether or team A
but the team no woni
but whether or team A or team B whether or team A or team B a babesi onward transfer.
Fantastic.
And there was no need of stating a club's name in the contract if this is the only contract Kotoko wa.
But I mean the initial arrangement was Zelina. And Somuah prior.
Say yes, Zelina. It doesn't come in. Say yes, Zelina. Zelina. The moment I mobile this contract, stating Zelina, say, boy, at that particular moment, the contract, boy, so the boy Zelina no beko.
So Uncle Zelina.
So Uncle Zelina.
Save no means so Uncle Zelina.
Save Zelina is
another
club
another team can come in
according to them no Zelina no was kong
because till ABI Zelina there was a specific fee ABI Zelina for that time say be fan be 50,000 euros so to tell me chana say enunti Ebia Kotoko say sad there you be 25%. So let's say if another club comes in and he's paying lesser than what Zelina for not take, you want to lose on that 25% that is being stated.
And the both clubs will
no, and I make a form. So tell me just say 80 me bo me bamba. 80 it should have been straight onward transfer. Says Zelina ne bema eno de ye betia ka sem wo akire Zelina ne ba ko
Kotoko na omo present here we say you will play sana me no onyu bia na we have this boy Zelina biko but we want him to pass through your club
so Zelina ko no be pass through club na wan ye mfa club na ye Zelina ne di meshe contract nim.
So that was the initial agreement.
And I'm saying mfa meshe mo de me ba let me ba na we nyina ka besia argument ye na he na free
if it's a Kotoko
say ba for save race way say club ya bo maton no nti sa club no ba no ka save fo no ho bi ana me bo ana mo say on transfer na say 25% Kotoko nchom 25%. No, tete, where they say nyasem. No, yenya ni say say. This is not. So we am contract on what they are. Amunchom sika mo.
He wasn't coming to play.
Wabo
any different matter. Nanka, then Zelina Ba Krata no say he wasn't coming to play Kotoko. He was coming to use it. No, I call. That's why they Zelina because he was going. Then Zelina no.
So there next. What happened?
So what O'Brien. Until
he did not collapse.
Now he has to play. So then the register no.
It wasn't like he wasn't going to play.
He said
no. Through agent. Agent, you know, the agent in Ghana ni. The agent or the deal nearby no Ghana ni. Tony Apia. What does he? Now what happened? Tony Apia no had one team Douglas Osena. Ayene dia no. Douglas Osena. Coach me dia no. And Tony Apia no e wo deal bi. On another player.
Tony Mo.
Okay. You know, deal we buy na Tony Apia na say. Then let's pass time no be fan pass through because Kotoko time no be so na ya issue Kotoko profile no e be yes can be kosro na ya dey aton enti omo e that deal no and pass through Asante Kotoko and omo agree on that 50,000 Kotoko to adema omo on 2 installments
na 50,000 is oh Jane was at 25
of course in 2 installments and omo yes our contract no now player comes to Asante Kotoko and obe pray the time as Zelina team na sanka ye deal no anti me amfa omo anye contract for bia biem except this contract omo here no the one no as the leader di wo mu no
ti dia na no de Bokotoko
we are not the Bokotoko that contract na
what is the leader na Bokotoko
they was Zelina dey say on what transfer
okay
until after that you know time now deal no buy no and Celta Vigo EG player no as an amateur player to call Celta Vigo as an amateur player to the same agency Tony Apia no now the boy has matured and Uncle a ton after 18 years, no go for no aton. A Tuesika, there be Celta Vigo for no.
No so agreement way.
I know they between Tony Apia and Asante Kotoko. Now according to this,
a coast club no free.
Coast club according to them no. Omo keep them silent on all these deals. According to Omni Tony Apia and they some for Tony Apia on fa. Go. Per the agreement Omni no e wono. Enti obo ha na nu fiada ene na otwe ana Kotoko frɛ om so ma secretariat
mo magic Christ ka
e don ko na Kotoko de 50,000 e ma wo mo say represent what na 50,000 no om de om contract om wo munim say player no o ko ba bia na o mu 25 ti Kotoko no e mo mu hu de amount no
e no ko amagonya ska ba bi
wo de represent what percentage ana na ka kire om say so to e bra da di anim Tuesday o mo mra no one trance enti no microphone no and no lawyers anyway Kotoko koshia na me Kotoko di nkomo de o mu ni say after Kotoko seeing say the player no na ni age no was form no and that na represent amateur no mu feel say it was even wrong to say the then management if you have 50,000 microphone what you say
and 2023 they say the same IMC them management they say
I am not tolerate I am not to player
that's about that it was just about ruleless
that's about and that
I want to the president okay
and they talk say whoever paid that money no new management talk say whoever paid that money no
na money o man share
no who said now there's a new administrator Kotoko there's a new administrator and they felt say whoever paid that money was wrong because
wrong was heaven
amateur player should have been paid
no me go to
I don't know go for any scale be
yes na
Kotoko flex Kotoko nei no e so no trans no Kotoko free say na player after all by as amateur ntino ko for him deserve ska bia
e be nkrata asem
no
and you start out do 25,000 ba ko jimi o start out 25% o produce no
Okay. And then
na se Zelina ne to no
the player Somuah was signed on the professional contract. Let's state it here.
and ya true
Amateur doesn't come in. When Kotoko announced the signing of Somuah on the official page, that was 30th August 2023. We are pleased to confirm the signing of Bernard Somuah from Efija Liberty on a 3-year deal.
Okay, as a fool.
It was maybe a question be said. Apart from contract here, if there is a different contract, I mean him there, fine. But if this is the contract between Kotoko, anything that friends say Fija, Nidia, News-Asante Kotoko.
no omudi Zelina also
and I may catch us say Zelina no mo de be mu no and about for say bishop in case say anya Zelina near that club
release let on the register no and no na amateur bi ani
yes eti aso American say me to e dey asem tetia eti me say question say if that was
contingency
well $500
25% they say no o go prove the entia or say amount 25%.
Let's no who's na make asem
lawyer for the work asem
no club
who your lawyer
Efija lawyer na ye to no
Efija
lawyer for the
who's no Efija no Kotoko. What I can say is they should find a very good grounds and solve this issue. Now Bafo, I'm telling you, sir, Bafo.
Can you not come to go to
Bafo?
Not in a room. Can actually. What
Oman solve and man solve no ma. I could do status level. One will lose big.
Maybe I grant.
No, I'm because that amateur in a show no. Umanuka status. That one I'm telling you, one will lose big.
Which one?
They should find a way to solve it.
I had this actually in Boko there.
So me,
and that's where your birthday born and Becky na war Pat Thomas,
my wife.
Wife Ketwana.
My wife Ketwana.
Pat Thomas phones. And Becky birthday enjoy it. Becky see you Pat Thomas phones.
My wife Ketwana.
Opo no was a black, and over Sana answer black. They are same say.
So me my mini can't shout my tear for you know and to also applaud more for.
Now by Wabaha.
Me buy with them.
Tony protocol here.
Me buy with them.
Okay, no we are protocol. No we are. I was a year.
Bomb money we are bia no.
Who mo bra. The one there. On the only babo. Eje anopai.
So me anopai de boko said the unim naija unu akuma to be man so deep anka kra. Ti umu brano na ya ba behwe said the fie nso siko. Nti I came down to spend some time with my mother. Unfortunately, kwesi ade twem ya ma me say nchino bedi wasasi so asa. Nti oja ye hoko ya ama sisi ano. Ya mobo. Nti ama me holidays am bedi eni na aye bibi ho but we na dey. Nti so me it hasn't been easy. I mean, yeah, I came purposely because about last year. I came June, I left August, and then no soon.
So
me bana me could be no soon. I'm going to me bana di Christmas. Until I fulfilled my word and I came 23rd December. And I've been here since then. I wanted to spend some time with her.
Oh, Kasano, American.
And Fufia and Tuata, Quesiada, we are the Yami Yakran say Quesiada no pa.
No, ending Gitahonga.
No, down a Mrs. Tabby from say, or manager and Ozuni.
Just over manager.
Just a manager. So, Caswin did dear, just a minqua. Oh, dear, do anything we come your bonko moisture.
No crowd.
Then we brought 2 cars, just about 2 hours. Yeah, was his young friends or Gaspon, the breathing in quay.
Wow. And we add that details. And it's the end to say.
And she said, Yamia Dumois. yawada ebe na busua na ne say ebedi ne na otweda of my so chirukrom
okay protocol mark you
19
them the case car for the phone ade Thursday no baby oh
Thursday no massive about the phone
abe ni protocol there
protocol
eje yi ni
oni esoba oni jibo mu nyina eso meta na jibo esem bisa no question me ti se oba US ya twan sa me ne kwa me kase afere so abeso UK asa adwane ko wa ma
we nya we nti am ye friend and my friend
se me ka che kase se bibi de me ko
yes we nya yi
yeah kase ba the same day na me ma me film na
my same friend na ba panyini na
no has
oh
me ba kra no
areho
yeah very me ba no kra no na
stories am te around it no on say ne ba no so me very close to her very close
so ni no
oh
pa 24 years
me dey say kase o ma me ne me dey yeah say you know
very sad me kra me ti
obo me ba
yeah
e da nya me ya aduma me ye tinkoma obi there ba world cup
so me world cup say obaba
David
am aduma se me hwechi se ne ya wonten ko
ayewo
oh opo said ye ba be jaw ya wada why e ba be jaw Kotoko fo no nkoma me no mu di chese ensem nem se ye he de si canon na se onye odi ompe no se om se mro ma so ye na ye magin chiri
am so yem from no so make say
omati
on se for at this stage there omni other party if they come out to explain enye fair to the other party but wow pinche mu bia no
the twa blanda um ko hia wie na se ya bibia ma ye beba sa blanda um so mu hia to mu hia wie na se amaka
na team se bi take that kaya na
yes I'm so too
500 million
these clubs no these clubs no we should be at AC agina baby ah
we ba kwa tomu ibi beba na
aside ba kwa tomu AC Kotoko gina stage bia or majority of football clubs especially the youth teams e wa Ashanti region so mo play akra na omo benya so yen form koma Kotoko this small clubs no matter no the two and found the situation is it here this small clubs shouldn't be treated this way it's not fair me the two omofa
500 million
so to o ka 500 million share 500 million to say sikana Kotoko de to player no and one no masa dey 500 as go so
900,000
but if a club is able to nurture a player to now about we use platform call 500,000 euros
so when you na bi on be 20 bi akon mo
eno na saa de na drum no bi a obeka sai issues we bi esi o eno na drum be afa na close clubs no omo professor omo do mo play
Kotoko nya mra
omo do mo players ma fine no dan Kotoko refi
so because they wo
yes omo nya
ya beka gutie Kotoko asem no ye ntie fa emua one side nti ka bia 50 ne de ko mo nyento ansan se de na na kan no na akire no asem bia wo ha ya kan nti ye de asi